Hello, this is Dr. Shubha Ravi from Information Science Department, BMSC College, Bangalore. I am here to show you the module which I am using for my object-oriented programming using C++ course in the third semester of Information Science Department. This is the LMS which I am preferring to be used for this particular course. In the home screen you will see the introductory model. I have added the introductory model and a unit 1 module. In the introductory module I have also included the course outline which is being shown over here, which tells the prerequisites, the course outcome and the COPO mapping of this course. Then in the announcements I have already given some announcement. The course is scheduled from September 20 to December 2020. There will be periodical quizzes and assignments. I also have assigned some assignments to my students, like introduction, a discussion form is been given, graded discussion is given, a quiz is assigned, and an assignment on unit 1 is also provided. Then I have discussions forum being created, where I have added two discussions. One is introduction to C++. I would like to show you that the students were supposed to find various modern tools available to work with for C++. Then also I have given discussions for unit 1 also, where I have provided the questions on the unit 1 module. Then I have added some of my students to this LMS platform who have joined the course and attempted the quizzes assigned to them. I have added some of the pages available necessary for the course. One is the contact hours for the course required, 3 hours of theory every week and a 1 lab session for 2 hours per week. And also I have a lesson plan being uploaded over here for the particular course. Then I have pages also for meeting hours. I would like to contact the students through online sessions weekly 2 hours. Then also I have added pages to give them the prerequisite for the course, which is under the introductory model. Basics of C programming is essential to learn this C++. I have also provided a page where I have provided my reflections on online teaching. Then I have also included some files like course outline, a video, lesson plan, syllabus, then live sessions recording, then unit 1 presentations of some modules, and the timetable which was required as a prerequisite of the introductory module. Followed by the course summary is being provided over here. The syllabus page shows the course summary is given over here with the introduction to C++, quiz and unit 1 assignments and roll of attendance. I also have provided quizzes which is available till today 25th September 11:59, where the students are able to answer this. I have created two modules, introductory module which had a file of course outline, a prerequisite page, timetable page, syllabus of the course, lesson plan of the course, contact hours and meeting hours. Then I also have another module, unit 1, which includes the necessary presentation material being added. I had added all the PPTs necessary for that. followed by quiz been assigned to the students. When I had given this quiz, students have attempted the quiz, and I have also given grades to them regarding this quizzes. All of them have scored some marks, and their assignments is been also given the marks, and the total things have been submitted over here. Then unit 1 has an assignment assigned to the students being given over here. Module unit 1 also has a assignment quiz being assigned and a material being published, along with the live session recording being uploaded over here, which was handled in the previous week.
Did you submit the lab programs in the Google Classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, I have included a recorded video to the students on the same introduction class. Hello students, good morning. This is an introductory class for object-oriented programming using C++. I am Dr. Shubha Ravi, Associate Professor, Department of ISC, BM. So these are some of the materials and the quizzes being assigned to the students using this LMS. Students have joined the course, and I have also graded them with the quizzes what they have attended for the particular course. I also have provided my reflections for these online courses. It is being provided in the page title for the reflections on online teaching. Coming back to the home, this is my course mod Canvas LMS for under the Canvas LMS for the course Object Oriented Programming for 3rd semester Information Science Department BMSCE. Thank you.